First up is the AC44CW. The AC44CW locomotive was built by General Electric, GE. GE began to produce these locomotives in the early 1990s. CSX received the first batch of the AC44CWs around 1994 until the end of production, which lasted nearly 10 years until the early 2000s, around 2004 to 2007. There was a total of around 600 of these units built, just for CSX alone. The AC44CW is a diesel-electric locomotive with AC, alternating current traction motors. These locomotives have 4,400 horsepower, giving them a total tractive effort of 180,000 pounds when starting to pull the train behind it. These locomotives measure about 73 feet in length and weigh around 426,000 pounds or 193 tons. Each locomotive holds a wild amount of 5,000 gallons of fuel, which can roughly get them 1,000 miles before needed to be refueled. The max speed the AC44CW can reach is 75 miles per hour, but most only travel at most around 60, depending on the train route's speed limits. The AC44CW has been with CSX for 29 years, and these locomotives still see plenty of work in 2023. Now, sit back and enjoy the AC44CWs in action on CSX's Keystone, Mountain, and Cumberland subs from 2021 through 2023. Thanks again for watching.
Bye.